a crypto crash could very well be on the way for us. And in this video, I'm going to share why I am saying this. My name is Michael. This is PLUSZEKS Crypto Corner, and I'm looking forward to share this with you. I even put on my reading glasses today because I've really been like preparing this. I just want to share my own thoughts. I want to make sure you understand this is no financial advice. It's just what's going on, what I see, and my thoughts about it. So let's dive into this video. First of all, I don't know if you are into crypto or into Bitcoin, both altcoins, and please put in the comments if you are. What are you? Are you a Bitcoiner? Are you altcoins? Let me know, or not any of those. Let me know in the comments. See, what I've been seeing online the last couple of weeks, maybe even couple of months now, is people ongoing are saying two things here. First of all, I see buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. And the second thing I've been seeing is now it's going to pump. And I see charts, people have looked into the numbers and they say, well, Monday's going to pump. So where are those pumps? And what about those dips? See, I've been seeing this, and I took some notes here, so I'm sure I'm sharing with you what's going on, what I see. And the thing is, I saw buy the dip or it's going to pump when Bitcoin was at 30K. I saw it again when Bitcoin was at 32K. This is within the last month or something. Then Bitcoin at 30K, and I saw it again. It's the bottom. It's not going to go lower. It's going to pump now. And then it went to 28K, same thing, 25K, same thing. And now we are even below 22K. So maybe you've seen this, maybe you experienced the same thing. Maybe you are also confused what to do. And I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm just sharing my own stuff here. See, I can actually just look at it here when we speak together right now. I saw it was down a little below 22 Bitcoin as I speak here. It's the 14th of June today. Let's just see here. And right now it is, let's see, let it update here. Bitcoin is at 21.8. So it fell down, and Ethereum is at 1,160. So that fell down too. So what to do? And before I say this, and why I say a crash is coming, let me just share that I have this free email service about crypto. I'm sharing my own insights. It's once a week. It's free. So it costs you nothing. And you can sign up below. And also, if you like this video, please give it a like, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's going to be very focused on crypto and Bitcoin and altcoins. And it's also like be a little bit focused about what I call the ultimate freedom. So I suspect a crash is coming. And why do I do? Let me share this here. So first of all, last week, the end of last week, inflation numbers around the world were like populist. So United States, Europe, where I am in, sorry, inflation numbers was being posted online. I saw those. It went out, and from them, stocks going down, but also Bitcoin went down. And during the weekend, I don't know when it was exactly, I think it was Sunday or something, Celsius, which is a crypto and also actually a place where you can earn on crypto, Celsius sent an email out. I got one too, because I have one wallet with Celsius, that they were freezing the account. So it's not possible to change crypto between accounts. And they said it was to protect the community from what's going on right now in the market. So this, obviously, as anything else, it went online very fast. Celsius has frozen the accounts. And what happened? Bitcoin dropped. And from Bitcoin dropping, Ethereum dropped, and a lot of altcoins dropped. So this is what's happening. I've seen this trend again and again and again. We are hoping, and probably I spoke about this in other videos, we have mass adoption at a point with Bitcoin, which means that so many people will be in it. And that's the point where everybody's saying, was there any time, how could we live without Bitcoin? That's mass adoption. Right now, that could be a little difficult to see because we are down. So this is what happened. This is what happened with Bitcoin and crypto. Now, why am I saying a crash is coming? So have this in mind. Buy the dip, the pump is coming, and also this weekend with the inflation numbers and the Celsius thing. The fact is Bitcoin is at 21.8. That's kind of a very low. I don't know when it was that low before. I think it was back to 2020 or something. Now, the crash. And again, it's not financial advice. I'm just sharing what I see and what I think could very well happen. See, markets are extremely nervous right now. And I mean all markets, so stock markets. And I just saw this morning again on the front of the newspaper that it's been falling a lot. Some of the senior financial advisors here in Denmark have been interviewed about this, and they say the markets has been falling, but we could see that we are not at the bottom yet. This is more nervousness, and we know that the war is going on. There's a lot of nervousness from this. We know the prices is going up. There's a lot of nervousness from this. We have been seeing, and again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just a human being speaking that are very into these things. But we have been seeing online in the newspapers that house markets has stopped the boom. And I know from what I see from the States, it's the same, from many countries in Europe, it's the same. And all of these things together, this is nervousness. And I know some of the gurus, they say it's just we have to pass this and then we are going straight into green and all of this. But I also heard them say this 3 months ago, and that's not what happened. There's also a potential very huge food crisis on the rise because of the war going on. And we might not have seen the worst of this yet because, you know, plants have to be planted and then we harvest later on. So, well, it could go very bad. All of this is nervousness. And remember what happened when I said this weekend with the inflation numbers and Bitcoin fell a little down, then Celsius, and Bitcoin fell more down. If this is happening, and I think it could be like a domino effect, which means like an avalanche, that it's going to go like this, down. And if the markets are going down, there is a big, or I would even say huge possibility that the Bitcoin and the crypto would do the same. Could do something else. You never know. I'm really just sharing my own ideas here, but it could happen. And if this happens, like the avalanche, because actually one more news from the last week is that some of the crypto projects, they laid off, they fired people from the team. Some was 10%, some was 20%. I even heard bigger numbers, and I'm not putting the names here because I can't remember them, but that's a fact. There's a lot of money being taken out of all of this right now, not only crypto, Bitcoin and altcoins, but also the stock market. So all in all, I'm just saying that we could see things going even more down. And again, if this is beginning to happen, like an avalanche, could be the more and more people are getting very frightened about it and they take their money out. Some will do it and wait and see if they can hit the button. Some will do it from fear. And I suspect, again, I'm not sure, I'm just sharing that we could see this from the next couple of days, and also we could see more bad news coming in the next couple of months, which could have a huge effect on everything going on here. So that's why I say this. And I'm just sharing because I really, really want you watching this to be aware of what's going on. And I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm just sharing my own stuff. But if you are listening to other people, be very aware if you really think they know what's going on, because everything is so nervous right now. So in the next video, I'm going to do that in a couple of minutes here, and I'm going to share some ideas what to do if the whole thing is crashing. If you relate to what I'm saying here, what to do. I'm going to share some thoughts in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope it gives you something to think about. And I would love, again, for you to put your comment below. Do you think there's a crash on the rise, or do you think it's going to be green now? Put that in the comment. And again, feel free to subscribe here. See you in the next video. Michael, bye-bye.